Hello everybody. Thanks for joining me today. Today I am super excited because I got the new, hold on, wait for it, the Kiara Sky Beyond Pro Volume 2 in the unicorn style UV LED lamp. Oh, okay, rechargeable LED, so there's no UV, I guess. But I'm super excited. So I've already videotaped the unboxing and I've already used it on a couple clients. So grab your coffee. Nicole runs on Dunkin'. I don't know what that was. The wind like rattled the doors, kind of freaked me out a minute. Okay, focus. I run on Dunkin'. Grab your coffee. We'll go to the unboxing and then I'll be back shortly to tell you all the little things that I found that so far I like about it. Stay tuned. Okay, you got your coffee? I got my coffee. Okay. So, the Kiara Sky lamp, the second one. I love that it's unicorn color. Now, if you know me, I have lots of things blinged out on my desk, and they're all like with the crystal, like the clear crystal. This makes me just want to go change everything. Just makes me want to go make everything the pinkish iridescent glitter to match the iridescent on my lamp. Okay, so here's what I learned. I do not like lamps without a metal base. This definitely has a metal base. I will not purchase a lamp without a metal base. For me, they suck. They don't give you what you need. It's not worth my time and effort. I love how it has a little handle. But you guys look at this. You know how those metal bases, like they pop off on some of those things? Well, they've got this, so it's like a slide in plus the little magnet. See those little things right there? Those little slide things? So they keep it secure so that bitch does not fall off. When I move my lamp around, this stays where it's supposed to stay. And can you see all those little pieces right there? All those little indentations? That's for finger placement. And you know, some of these nail bitches have long nails. And it's like, it goes far in there to get what they need so that I don't wind up with uncured polish. A little placement there. I love that it's, of course, censored because it's just, you know what, your things just need to be censored now. They just do. They just do. I don't want to mess around with a button. I don't want to worry about the buttons. Just do your thing. I pay you the money to do your thing. You pay me money to do your nails. I pay somebody else to do their thing with my equipment. That's how it goes. Those are the rules. So it does have the 4 different heat settings. So it has the 15 second, the 30 second, the 60 second, and then the 90 second is for the low heat mode. So it does have all those, and if you tap it, see, it'll count down. So it gives you a really nice buzz when it's like a beeping when it's done. It doesn't just shut off. It lets you know that it's done. So give it, that's on a 60 second now. We'll hear it in the background. It's so pretty, guys. And I found that when my clients had their nails in there, like you can tell how the polish feels based on how well it's curing. If your polish feels mushy, it's not cured right. It needs to have a hardness to it when it's done. just because this is a battery operated light, did you hear the beep? Is done. Ding ding. It's a rechargeable, so it does come with the power cord. So the power cord plugs into the back of the lamp. You can charge it, I'm assuming, while you're away at the evening, if you need to. It also comes with, the box is beautiful. The boxing's just gorgeous. The owner's manual, so it will tell you what you need to know about the product. It says how to charge it. Oh, I'm gonna have to go back and read this. This is a little bit interesting. To avoid lowering the service life of your lamp, single continued working time should not exceed 10 minutes. So you don't want a client that's just going to keep putting their hand in and their hand in, their hand in, because you're going to warp your light. So it comes with a warranty card, and it's a 1-year limited manufacturer guarantee from date of purchase within normal usage. And it does have the serial number on the little card, and it tells you where to go to register it. And the information you need is the model number, the serial number, the receipt number, date of purchase, place of purchase, purchaser's name, purchaser's address, email, and phone number. So make sure that you fill out your warranty card, and you will have that in case something goes wrong. I like the depth of the light. It's definitely, it almost feels narrower than some of the other lights. I could be wrong, but I like the depth. That is why I chose this one. I've heard great things about this one. From everything I'm seeing, it looks like it's a quality light, in my professional opinion. You can take it, you can leave it, it doesn't matter. I will come back at a later time and see. There's only a couple lights that I've really liked and used for a long time. And everything else, I may have started off liking them, but they're never perfect. I currently do have a CND small lamp here. Metal base. I like the amount of lights this one has on it. It's like a steady backup for me. What I don't like is that it doesn't have the sensor, and I don't like that my girls with long nails, it's a small unit. So, you know, you have to decide what's right for you and your clients. I have bought multiple things. I've done Melody Susie. I've done Gelish. I've done the CND lamps. I've done the Sun UV lamps. Personally, I think Sun UV lamps have a good reputation. I'm not mad about most of those at all if they have the metal base. But that's my requirement. My requirement is that metal base. I'm also looking for something with a specific amount of like nanometers. Let me just see if this says that on the outside of the box, because it should. Yeah, the power wattage is 48 watts max. Wavelength 400 nanometers. Some of them go up a little higher. They go up to like 405, I think 410, but they also go down to like 380, I think it is. I could be wrong, don't quote me. It is chemical and shatter resistant. Full view LCD screen with display timer countdown. Wider opening so you can cure all 5 fingers at once. Yeah, all the information is on the back of the box. So they give you all the information you need. So if you want to order one of these, I'm not paid to do this. This is something that I purchased on my own. I paid the money for it. I don't get anything for free. I'm not that big of a deal. I'm just, your average nail tech. And I'm just trying to give you some truthful information on the things that I come across. I want to be able to share those things with you. And this is something that I really wanted to invest in for my job to hopefully make things better. I do not like it when clients come back and their polish is not set right, or it's chipped off or peeled off because it didn't cure right. So this is my Kiara Sky. I love the way it's set up. I do. I absolutely love it. And I'm hoping that it will be a good addition to what I do. But time will tell. And that's the way it is with every other light. So if you're thinking about purchasing this light, straight off the bat, I'm going to tell you go ahead and do it. It's got a 1-year warranty, and if you don't like it, I'm sure you're going to sell it to somebody that does. But I think you're going to like it. And I know they've got other colors. I think I saw blue, white, and pink, I think were the colors. And then, of course, my unicorn one. Yeah, buddy. So, okay. So that's what I have for you today. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate it. I am trying to be more conscious and aware of my video posting, so hopefully soon you'll get to see me actually done up instead of in work mode, because this is my work mode. This is not my bam, you pretty mode. This is a bam, you got work to do. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Wait, don't go anywhere. Okay, I'm back. So I told you I'd come back and let you know what I thought about the Kiara Sky lamp. I've been using it for a few days now, and my days are solid. Like, it's not, oh, I work a couple hours and we're done. No, like, they're long ass fucking days. So anyway, it's the only light I've been using, and it's nice. Girl, like, my clients love the color because there's nothing to not love about the color. I think I've said that about a dozen times already for this video. And it's curing very nicely. It is. It seems to recharge pretty fast. I believe the instruction unit said 2 hours for full charge. So it recharges at a good pace. I've recharged it just once. I didn't have to recharge it today, I don't think. I probably will tomorrow. I'm liking it. I'm digging it. I'm like making sure it is very nice. Like, it's heavy, guys. It's heavy. I feel like it's heavy, but that's not a bad thing, because I tend to have the dropsies with stuff, so the lighter stuff might be, but handle perfect. Once again, I cannot explain to you how much I love that this is locked in. I just pick it up off my desk and I move it out of the way when I'm filing so I don't get it filled with a bunch of dust. I'm still debating whether or not I should get 2, put 1 on each side, but I don't really want to take up that much space on my desk. But yeah, the curing seems to be excellent so far. So I did just want to hop back on and let you guys know that so far I'm not having any problems with thumbs curing, because you know how when they don't cure they get mushy and everything, and then sometimes they ripple and the polish comes off. And I've got several different kinds of polishes that I use, because I'm always just playing with stuff. So I've used the Madame Glam, I've used the Beetles, I've used Model 1s, Model 1s. I've used the Lanfo, Valentino, D&D. I've played with a bunch of it, and it's doing very nicely, and it's getting all the edges. And that's what I'm after. I'm definitely after that. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps you. I hope this gives you a little bit of information, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.